Hi everybody, my name is Sao, and in this video I'm gonna show you my results of using modified Shawn strategies for the second month. Even though it is the end of the third month of me using this strategy, but we'll be doing a month back. So, in short, the strategy goes like you have a level, and at the level you open both long and short at the same time. Then you place your take profit on the next levels for the long and for the short. Then, once the price reaches one of these levels, here, you close your position and add up to the hedging position, thus making it lower. And then you close it in zero once the price reaches back our averaged position. I analyzed my first months using it, and I made slight changes to the way I use it. Firstly, I made my initial position sizes half of what they used to be, or in some cases even 40%. Why? So that I can average it more aggressively. So we entered here, and here it is roughly a half of what it used to be. But the position was closed in here, they are short. And if we average for the same amount, we gonna have to wait all the way up here, suffering from the drawback all the way like 24 almost %. Pretty heavy drawback. But if the initial position size is 40%, then you add up to 60%, thus making it the full position. But because this one was 40 and this one was 60, it goes slightly lower. And we wouldn't have to suffer any drawbacks, at least most of the times. And we would be able to close it way sooner. From where we can make a decision whether do we wait for another key level or maybe open right over here. It's just good not to be in the position for too long, and this change helps me with this. And now, let's dive into my monthly P&L. So here you can see my daily P&L for April. I start from the 3rd because I used to have a carry forward positions from February, which I closed on the 2nd. Not to spoil the image of the April itself, I excluded them. The cumulative P&L for April is $200, which is exactly 7% of my whole capital, which I honestly think is pretty good. However, I was waiting for a little bit more because the previous months it was 20%. Now I halved my positions, so I was expecting around 10%. But okay, 7% is nice. 7% is nice gain. A lot of days in here are red because of the commission for the positions. And it is like cents. By the way, also commission for the positions green in cents. But it's not actual positions. Actual positions come from something greater than $1 at least. And here are the actual days that I closed the positions. And now let's take a look at the positions themselves. And so here you can see my positions. This month I was trading in Solana only, and it is the short on Solana, a pyramid short on Solana, then a hedging long on Solana, another couple of shorts, and another long. And right now I do have a carry forward position for short, which was, I don't remember, let me check. Okay, it was plus 50 on the end of the month. By the way, I do post more frequent updates on my positions in the Discord, so feel free to join. But spoiling to you, could have closed it in a pretty good profit, honestly, in the same profit that I earned in the whole month, and I could have closed it pretty early in the month. But I was too greedy, I was just too greedy. I thought that Solana is gonna, okay, let me show it on the graph. So right now I'm minus 130 on this Solana position that carries to the 4th month. And as the 4th month is about to end, I do not think that I will be able to close it in this month. But you see, here it was like really early, it was 7th of April. And I could have closed it like plus 181. But I thought, no, it for sure goes directly to my take profit. It for sure goes to my take profit, where I was expecting to earn 250 from it. You see? You see what a greed does to a man? To a trader? So dear viewers, do not ever be greedy. If you have a good position, just close it. And that was it for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, hit that subscribe button and like. Stay tuned for more content. And I guess, see you.